First of all, reading, what's the point? Don't do it. We don't need to do it. It doesn't matter. It wastes all your time. Tardies, we decided this. We're not going to count them anymore. Doesn't matter. You can just be tardy all the time. What the heck? All right, let's see. Prom tickets. No need to buy the prom tickets because we've canceled the prom. No sense going to that, so don't buy any tickets. We'll give them away. If you really want a ticket for a souvenir, you can have one, okay? Also, same thing, we've canceled all sports and related events, so cheerleading tryouts that started today have been canceled as well. We don't need to do cheerleading if we're not going to have any sports, so all that's been canceled. Oh, and also cancellations. FSA writing test. We're not taking any tests because we don't need the test scores. We're just going to give everybody an A for everything. Okay, so I think that's it. Remember your dress code rules, though. We are going to change that. That is one thing changing. Next week, we will have uniforms ready for everyone, so be prepared for that. Have a great day, guys. April Fools.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning.
It's Monday.
I hope you all had a good short weekend.
'Cause I know I have. I had the one that I needed.
Well, let's see what the announcements say.
Good morning, Bradford High School. Happy Monday, the best day of the week. Today is April 1st. That's 4/1/19 on your papers. Happy Monday indeed. Hey, happy birthday to Miss Sapp. She is in the guidance office. When you swing by the guidance office today, make sure you say happy birthday to her. Hope her day is awesome. Welcome back to another great week. Here we go. A few announcements for you. First of all, please remember this. I say this every time. Make sure you have a book to read. Everybody needs a book. You know why? Because it makes you smarter. That's all it does for you. Read a book. 20 minutes a day is all you need. Get to class on time. Brand new 9 weeks. We are counting tardies. If you have 3 tardies in a week, ISS. Don't risk it. Just get to class. Get to class. Get to class. It's the only place you're going to do to get smarter, okay? Hey, prom tickets are still on sale, but not much longer. April 10th is the deadline to purchase those tickets. $100 to get in, $25 though if you're a senior and you went last year. Discounted price for you there. So make sure you get those tickets paid before April 10th. That's the deadline. Cheerleading tryouts start today. Get your spirit fingers fired up. Make sure you're ready for that. If you're one of those people that are in on that, good luck to you as everyone starts with all that this week. Tomorrow is a big day here at Bradford High School. It is writing test for all the 9th and 10th graders. This is the first phase of the FSA testing. So be ready to go on that. Get you some rest tonight. Make sure you eat a good breakfast in the morning, all the 9th and 10th graders. Remember this, if you're a junior or a senior, obviously you're not taking this writing test because this is for the 9th and 10th graders. We will be testing 1st, 2nd, and 3rd period tomorrow. If you are here on campus, you'll be housed up in the cafeteria if you're a junior or a senior. But know this, 4th period and on is regular school day, okay? So if for whatever reason you're not here 1st through 3rd during testing, make sure you're here by 4th period so you can get into your classes. That's for juniors and seniors. Back to freshmen and sophomores, good luck. Try your best. I know you're going to do great on this writing test tomorrow. All right. FCA is meeting Wednesday morning, as always. Remember that up in the library if you want to be a part of that. And the gaming club also meets on Wednesday after school. All right. Let's be respectful to each other, be cooperative, and let's be responsible to take care of all of our business. Have a great day.
Now that that's done, what's the most important thing in the world?
Food, water, air to breathe, maybe a girl with a big butt, something like that.
No, music.
Youth Without the Jonas Brothers.
Okay, any guesses about bands or?
Nope.
Okay.
I don't even know. I don't even know who that
Can you
is.
take a guess?
That's before the time, man. Like,
No, that's a white lady. That's a white lady.
is that a white lady?
That's a white lady.
Oh, do you need a bottle of Christina Aguilera?
Next.
Next.
that back turbo. You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had the white, so I took
Drip Too Hard.
By who?
By Lil Baby and Gunna.
Okay, good job.
Damn it.
Drip Too Hard.
Hold on, Drip Too Hard. Hold on.
ASAP. No, it's not ASAP.
Lil Baby, Drip Too Hard, Lil Baby.
Okay. Look at us go.
Who's Little Baby?
like a fool, I went and stayed too long. I'm wondering if your love's still strong.
Yes. That's
Play it again.
It sounds like blackmail.
It sounds like a black man.
Yeah.
It sounds like a female to me the entire time I listen to my granddad.
Hey man.
Just take a guess. I don't even know. Literally, the only song I know is
Beautiful World.
Any guesses?
I don't remember. Who got his name? I'm thinking of what's his Stevie Wonder.
Yes.
It's by Stevie Wonder.
I knew it was Stevie Wonder.
I don't know. Is it Stevie Wonder? Can I get half a point? The Sign, Sealed, and Delivered by Stevie Wonder.
Wow.
Who?
Stevie Wonder.
That would have been not much of a competition if I would have been there.
But you picked all the songs.
I guess it's a little unfair.
Whatever. Let's go ahead and slide in the weather.
Today's weather is going to be a high of 70 and a low of 57, and it's going to be rainy.
Now let's slide into one of my favorite segments, sports.
Sports. Since when that was your favorite segment?
Hi, I'm Megan,
I'm Eric.
and we are your sports anchors.
We have a lot of sports to cover this week. Track placed 6 out of 21st at Santa Fe's Invitational.
Last Thursday, the softball team won against Newberry with a score of 5-3. Last Friday, they lost against Baker with a score of 0-10. And Monday, they lost against Columbia with a score of 2-14.
Baseball last Tuesday lost 8-10 against Baker. And last Thursday and Friday, they took 2 losses against Palaca.
And that's it for sports.
If you have any suggestions for the next show segments, email me at 2016.zrfulton@mybradford.us.
And with that, that's the end of our show. Drink your milk.
Stay in school and go get smarter.